Here are 10 useful phrases to help you ask for things in a UK supermarket so you can shop with confidence and get what you need. Phrases. 1. Where can I find the bread? Where can I find the fresh fruit section? Where can I find the pasta and rice? Where can I find the vegetarian products? 2. Do you have any in stock? Do you have any milk in stock? Do you have any gluten-free bread in stock? Do you have any strawberries in stock? Do you have any more of this brand in stock? 3. How much is this? How much is this loaf of bread? How much is this pack of biscuits? How much is this bottle of juice? How much is this cheese per kilogram? 4. Is this on offer? Is this on offer? Or is it full price? Is there a discount on this item? Is this part of the buy one, get one free deal? Is this included in the 3 for 2 offer? 5. Can I pay by card, or is it cash only? Can I pay by card, or do you only take cash? Do you accept contactless payment? Can I use Apple Pay here? Do you take American Express? 6. Do you have this in a smaller, larger size? Do you have this in a larger size? Do you sell this in a smaller packet? Is there a family-sized version of this? Do you have this in a single serving portion? 7. Where are the tills? Where are the tills, please? Where is the nearest checkout? Are the self-service tills over there? Which way to the express checkout? 8. Could you help me with this, please? Could you help me reach the top shelf, please? Could you help me carry this to the till? Could you help me find the organic section? Could you help me scan this item? 9. What time do you close? What time do you close today? Are you open until 9 p.m.? What are your opening hours on Sundays? Do you close early on bank holidays? 10. Do you have a shopping basket near the entrance? Where can I get a trolley? Are there any small trolleys available? I hope these phrases help you feel more confident when shopping in the UK. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to CELTA English for more practical English tips. See you in the next video.